Turmeric is not just a spice. It is a signal. Long before it colored food, turmeric colored belief systems, medical traditions, and entire cuisines. Its bright yellow tone was never accidental. It was meant to be seen, remembered, and respected. Botanically, turmeric is curcuma longa, a rhizome from the ginger family. It grows underground, thick and knotted, storing compounds meant to protect the plant. Humans learned to extract those compounds and repurpose them. The most famous of these compounds is curcumin. It is responsible for turmeric's color, bitterness, and biological activity. Curcumin is not strong in flavor, but strong in identity. Turmeric originated in South Asia, most likely India. It has been cultivated for over 4,000 years. Its earliest uses were not culinary. They were medicinal, ritualistic, and symbolic. In Ayurvedic medicine, turmeric was classified as warming, cleansing, and balancing. It was used to treat wounds, infections, digestive issues, and inflammatory conditions. This was not guesswork. It was observation repeated over centuries. Turmeric's bitterness and earthiness made it unsuitable as a standalone spice. It was never meant to dominate flavor. Instead, it integrates. It blends. It anchors. In cooking, turmeric acts as a background force. It gives warmth without heat, bitterness without harshness, and color without sweetness. This makes it ideal for stews, rice dishes, lentils, soups, and sauces. Turmeric's color changed cuisine permanently. Before synthetic dyes, turmeric was one of the few reliable ways to achieve deep yellow. This is why it appears in curries, mustards, pickles, and ceremonial foods. Its role in curry powder is foundational. Without turmeric, curry would lose not only color but cohesion. Turmeric binds spice blends together. Flavor-wise, turmeric is earthy, slightly bitter, mildly peppery, and faintly musky. Raw turmeric is sharper. Dried turmeric is softer and more rounded. Heat transforms turmeric gently. It does not burn easily, but prolonged high heat dulls its aroma. Fat activates its compounds, especially curcumin, which is fat-soluble. This is why traditional cooking often pairs turmeric with oil or ghee. It is chemistry disguised as tradition. Nutritionally, turmeric is famous but misunderstood. Curcumin has been studied extensively for anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. However, curcumin is poorly absorbed on its own. This is where black pepper enters. Piperine, found in black pepper, dramatically increases curcumin absorption. This pairing was discovered long before modern science confirmed it. Turmeric also contains manganese, iron, and vitamin B6, but these are secondary to its phytochemical profile. Culturally, turmeric represents purity, protection, and prosperity. In Indian weddings, turmeric paste is applied to skin before ceremonies. It is believed to cleanse and prepare the body. In religious contexts, turmeric symbolizes life force and fertility. Its color mirrors sunlight. Its stain refuses to disappear. This permanence made turmeric both valued and feared. Once applied, it leaves a mark. Symbolically and physically, outside Asia, turmeric entered the Middle East and Africa through trade routes. It was adopted slowly, often replacing saffron as a cheaper coloring agent. In Europe, turmeric was known as Indian saffron. It never fully integrated into European cuisine, but it influenced preserved foods, cheeses, and sauces. Modern Western culture rediscovered turmeric through wellness movements. Golden milk, turmeric lattes, supplements, and powders exploded in popularity. This popularity brought exaggeration. Turmeric was marketed as a miracle cure. This distorted its real value. Turmeric does not heal instantly. It supports processes. It reduces inflammation gradually. It works through consistency, not intensity. Excessive turmeric consumption can cause digestive discomfort. Balance matters. The biggest culinary mistake with turmeric is overuse. Too much creates bitterness and muddies flavor. Precision matters. Another mistake is treating turmeric as flavor-forward. It is structural, not expressive. Fresh turmeric differs significantly from dried. Fresh turmeric is brighter, more pungent, and citrusy. It stains aggressively and requires careful handling. Storage matters. Light degrades curcumin. Turmeric should be stored away from heat and light to preserve potency. Visually, turmeric is unmistakable. It turns everything it touches gold. Hands, utensils, fabrics, food. This visual dominance reinforced its symbolic power. Turmeric is not loud. It is not sweet. It is not comforting. It is grounding. It reminds food where it came from. It reminds medicine that healing is slow. It reminds culture that color carries meaning. Turmeric does not promise miracles. It delivers continuity.